国际新闻，咱来关心美国国务卿布林肯17日时飞到南韩，北韩随伫18早起向朝鲜半岛东部海峡射3粒弹道飞弹。布林肯甲南韩的外交部长在见面的时，双方拢同齐谴责北韩射飞弹这款行为，嘛强调讲美国和南韩会继续合作，反对北韩单方面想要改变现状。
美国国务卿正拄到南韩，准备参加拜3的民主峰会。北韩18早起就向朝鲜半岛东部海峡发射3粒短程弹道飞弹。日本首相岸田文雄表示谴责，各讲绝对无法度接受。南韩外长应对咧伫甲布林肯见面的时阵，双方斗阵谴责北韩射飞弹的行为。出席民主峰会进程，南韩总统尹锡悦也会见布林肯，强调韩美同盟作为价值同盟，更加有力分享自由民主主义信念。
As authoritarian and repressive regimes deploy technologies to undermine democracy and human rights, we need to ensure that technology sustains and supports democratic values and norms.
인공지능과 디지털 기술을 활용한 가짜 뉴스와 거짓 정보는 개인의 자유와 인권을 침해하는 것은 물론 민주주의 시스템마저 위협하고 있습니다.
同一时间，中国外长王毅也访问纽西兰，前后甲纽西兰外长甲总理会谈。纽西兰外交部会后声明指出，纽西兰甲中国伫这安全繁荣的印太区域有共同利益，佮对南海甲台湾海峡紧张局势严重表达烦恼。纽西兰总理卢克森是强调，中国是纽西兰上大目标友伴。
We obviously have a thriving two-way trade of $38 billion that is mutually beneficial to both countries. We also believe we have strong people-to-people connections and certainly have a strong, passionate, vibrant Chinese community here in New Zealand that I think has made New Zealand a much richer and a much better place.
纽西兰是美国等5个组成情报共享联盟5眼联盟中的成员。纽西兰一直是被看作是对中国态度较温和，不过这几年已经真侪摆对中国和纽西兰感觉忧虑的行动发表意见。公司新闻陈伟仁报道。